During Obasanjo's regime, Governor Dariye was impeached, and the matter from High Court, Court of Appeal, and they went to Supreme Court. In order for them to forcibly impeach Dariye, they removed 14 of his assembly members that are loyal to him. It was just remaining 10. Out of that 10, they casted their vote in assembly. 8 voted in favor of removal of Dariye. When the matter went to Supreme Court and the Constitution of Nigeria was interpreted, that the framers of this Constitution said to top majority is only what is applicable and what is approved. And the intended member, those who drafted the Constitution, never intended a situation whereby only 8 persons will carry out an impeachment of a governor. Based on that, the Supreme Court of Nigeria said that impeachment will not stand, that is null and void. For a commissioner to be successfully screened, the Constitution provided one proviso, and which is that simple majority, which is about 11 or 12 of them, will be the one to screen a commissioner to be confirmed by the assembly. Anything other than 10, 11, 12, 13 is what? Is what? 8 persons cannot make a commissioner. 10 persons cannot screen a commissioner. That is not intended or the intent of those who drafted the Constitution. So anything other than that is what? Illegality. If they are hoping that 3 people will screen them to be caretaker, it will fall inside the pit. It never worked. One man cannot keep on disrespecting the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And today, we are calling on the whole world, Nigeria as a whole, to notice the illegality that is going on in Rivers State. If all of us will keep on disrespecting the Constitution, then we are running a banana republic as a country. I call on the President of Nigeria to take care, because he sworn to an oath to uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He will never go outside the Constitution of the Federal Republic. Whoever that is daring, directly or indirectly, in doing things based on his own, that he's a strong man, you have faith, because the Constitution is what is called the grand norm, and then the grand norm is why we are existing. Any Constitution made by Rivers State that is against the grand norm, which is the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 79 and amended in 1999, whatever you are doing that is against that law, to the extent, will be declared null and void. Thank you, and God bless all of us.